Hey guys, y'all been asking for it and we're here doing it today. Update day on the Amenity Center here at Horizons in Summers Corner. Gonna start out today with something a little bit different. We always promise you always the good, always the bad. We're gonna start out with a little, I wouldn't even say it's bad, it's just something you need to know.
Yeah.
We recently had a client that came in here, was watching our videos, came in without us. We said, no, don't do that. But he came in and then they weren't able to work with us because you absolutely have to come through the door with your realtor the very first time you step on property. And then he wanted us to work with him, and then he couldn't do so because he had already said, I don't have a realtor that day.
Yeah.
So just check in with us before you come out here, and it's an easy process. We can talk through it all. It'll all make sense. Book a Zoom call with us. We're gonna talk more about it at the end.
Yeah, but today we're going to talk about this big monstrosity of a building behind us, right?
Do you remember how many square feet it is?
It's like 24,000.
I think you're right, yeah. So they're gonna have an indoor pool,
Yes.
an outdoor pool.
Yes.
It's right on the lake here. It's gonna have
Fitness
pickleball, fitness club, tennis courts, a bocce, I think.
Bocce, yep, wine and beer.
That's one of the coolest things is it's gonna have a beer and wine bar that in most places, most of the 55 pluses in this area do not have that. So
That's right.
it's gonna be something that is special to Carnes, or not Carnes. That's the other one coming soon. There's one coming in Carnes. We'll check the channel for that, but out here in Summers Corner.
Yeah. So if you want to know more about this, stay tuned on the channel for sure.
Yeah.
But I would say end of year, beginning of next year
Yep.
is what we're looking for timing.
They're telling us end of 25, very beginning of 26. So I really feel like by the start of next pool season, you're gonna be sitting lakeside here, having a drink at the pool. And I'm so excited about the bar. There's only a couple of these neighborhoods in Summerville that have a bar attached
And
to it.
you say that, you act like you're a big drinker.
I'm
or
not,
something.
I'm not.
You drink like 3-4 times a year.
But I
tops.
want to do those poolside at the Amenity Center when I move
You
in.
just want the little umbrella.
I
and
do.
you
I'm a
drink.
big fan of the umbrella drinks.
But they won't have that. They're only going to have beer and wine. So you can put an umbrella in your
I
wine?
can absolutely put an umbrella in my Yingling.
Okay.
And I'll drink it with an umbrella in it.
Okay.
I'm not proud. I'll do it.
But they got 3 different series
Oh, yeah, I
homes
wanna
right
talk
now,
about
right?
that. Yep.
So the cottages are the smallest.
Mm-hmm.
They will not have screened-in porches.
Right.
And they will not have gourmet fireplaces, or gourmet kitchens. So they will
have a screen and porch.
They will have the screened-in porch, but not the gourmet kitchens and not the fireplaces.
We're having a little fight right here, right now. It's yeah. Okay. So the cottage series is only going to have the screened-in porches, not the gourmet kitchens or the fireplaces.
Right.
The next, and there's a couple, 3 different models in that. That's the smallest.
Yes. And then the Legends is the most popular.
Right.
That has the Collins, that's
Yep.
just my favorite
Yep.
for
the
sure.
Waverly.
The Waverly, the Osprey.
Osprey sold a bunch of them.
Yeah, so those are the most popular for sure. Those have 2-car garages,
Yep.
go up to 4 bedrooms.
Yeah.
And then the Estate series is
Yep.
the only ones, well, besides, there's one cottage that has an upstairs.
Right.
But the Estate series, there's one that has an upstairs.
Yep.
And those have 3-car garages.
That's the biggest thing, is the 3-car garage.
Yeah.
Definitely a bigger house. And then these 2 last series, the 2 bigger series, they're going to have the gourmet kitchen, the fireplace, and the screened-in porch on every home that they build going forward. They're getting ready to step into phase 6.
Yeah.
We've run out of inventory a little bit for right now.
And we warned them about this.
Yeah.
We did a couple videos before where we said the inventory is going to get much lower. Now there are some resales in this neighborhood now too, right?
We actually showed, I was out here last week, I showed my first 2 resales in this neighborhood.
Yeah, so that's an option right now.
Yep.
We might not see some more homes coming out brand new until June, July-ish.
Yeah.
Most likely, but stay tuned because sometimes they trickle them out.
They do.
And they'll release them. We've even seen where you had to put an offer in on a couple, so
right in this,
just be ready for it.
And I don't think that we're going to see that as they start to release more into June and July and August of this year as they open up those other phases.
Yeah.
I think that they just did that, make an offer, because they just had a few left in here.
Yep.
And they had multiple people looking for the same property. So from a business standpoint, which obviously as realtors, we hate that. You as the buyer hate that.
Everybody hates it.
We just have no control over it. At the end of the day, this is a large corporation, and so this kind of circles back to what I was talking about at the beginning, is when you come in unrepresented, the same realtor is representing both sides of that deal. They're representing the builder and they're representing you, the buyer. And that's just not a place that we ever think you want to be.
Right, right. And they're lovely people,
We love them.
but they're the builders who pays them.
That's right.
So that's who they're going to get their,
Yeah.
you know,
And the
honor
builder,
to.
they also pay out a buyer's agency through an agreement with us. So
Yes.
we get a lot of our money that we get paid to service you from the builder, but contractually, we work for you, represent your best interest, and so on. So have a conversation with us.
yeah. Well, anything else?
I want to think about, I did want to say one thing about that one cottage one, because, you know, we always refer to those cottages as the smaller of the houses.
But some of them are as big as the Legend.
They do have that one that has the second story on it, and it is massive. So if you're okay with
Stairs.
2 bedrooms downstairs and steps, the upstairs, and they don't always build these, but just kind of want to put it on your radar, because some people really do want a second floor
True.
in these houses, and this builder is much more limited than some of the other ones as far as the ability to do second stories, and you can't do anything from the ground up here.
Yeah.
So you just kind of, it's luck of the draw of if it's available when you're going to look for it.
But it is probably one of the best values in all of the Charleston area.
For sure. This is, you know, if somebody calls us up, we've had many people say, what's the best bang for my buck in the 55 plus space?
Yep.
And this often is the answer.
Yeah.
Now,
We just lost the camera.
camera just blew over.
I told you to get those higher,
You think the
heavier
$20
tripods.
tripod on Amazon, I think
You
editors
just
could
busted
probably,
it at $1,700.
I know,
camera.
yeah. I saved $10 on the tripod, but I just broke the $1,000 camera.
Let's just hope this one doesn't go.
Yeah. Well, let's wrap it up then before the wind, because it is a breezy day out here today. But
Yeah.
we want to get you an update on this. If you want to talk about this, Mark, what's the best way to hook up with us?
Yeah, down in the description, click on that link, book a Zoom call with us. We'll let you know all that we know at the time, because it's constantly changing.
Yes.
We'll figure out if this is the right lifestyle for you, or is another neighborhood better
Yeah.
for the lifestyle you want to live. Until next time,
See y'all.
see ya.